If you are looking for a new channel idea that can actually make some money, you must watch this video till the end. But if you are expecting some get-rich-quick method without doing any work, please stop watching this video. This is not for you, my friend. In order to actually succeed on YouTube, you must work hard. That's the hard truth. Let me show you an example channel. This channel has 135,000 subscribers and it's monetized. According to Social Blade, this channel makes around $8,400 a month. With the power of AI, we can create this type of content without any struggle. This niche is called spirituality or manifestation. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show exactly how to create a channel like this with a step-by-step process. After watching this video, you can easily start your own channel and join the viral video club. So let's start. First, we need a name and a description for this channel. Let's ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel related to spirituality. I really like this one, which is Inner Light Explorers. And let's ask ChatGPT to create a description as well. Give me a small YouTube channel description. Channel's name is Inner Light Explorers. It's about spirituality. As you can see here, we got an amazing description. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI similar to Midjourney, but it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click Generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu and select the number of generations. And then simply type this prompt. You can change it if you like. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics, you can get different types of logo ideas. So, if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create a Design and select YouTube Banner. Now from this side menu, you can select a suitable template. Let's select this one and edit it. I will change this text to the spiritual world, and we can change this slogan to manifestation. We need to add a background as well. Go to Elements from the side menu and type spirituality. Select a suitable image from here and add it as a background image. I will add a box under the text layers like this. I think this is enough. If you want to add more elements, you can play with it and create a suitable banner. After that, download the banner you created. These are very simple processes. I know that you can do these even without my help. Now, let's move on to the most important part, which is creating videos. First, we need a script for these videos. Let me show you how to create a script using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I am going to use this topic as our first video, which is the 5 life-changing stages of spiritual awakening. As you can see here, within a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated an amazing script. If you want different video topics, you can search on Google about spirituality and find the best topic ideas. This is just for this example. Now we need to generate voiceovers to this script. I'm going to use 11 Labs for that. If you don't have an account sign up, you will get free 10,000 characters. It's more than enough for at least 5 videos. After that, select a suitable AI voice from the settings. I would recommend using a calm and clear voice. This niche is spirituality, so make sure to select a voice that can represent this niche to your audience. After that, copy and paste the script we generated part by part and create the voiceovers.
Welcome, seekers of truth, to our exploration of the transformative journey through the...
Do this for all parts of the script. Now we are done with voiceovers as well. We need to find suitable images for our video background. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Just like we did before, select a suitable model and use this same prompt. If you want different results, you can change it in a suitable way. We will need around 10 to 15 images. These videos are not short-form content, therefore select suitable image sizes. Make sure these images are in line with the script. These images should be related to spirituality and manifestation. So play with the prompt and create your images and download those. Now, we have all the things we need to create our video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Start a new project. Click this Modify button. You can change the project name and settings here. Select the suitable size for the video, which is 16:9 ratio. After that, import all the voiceovers and the images. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Then, place these images on top of it like this, and make sure to edit its size according to the video size. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, we should add some cool transitions. Go to Transition from the top menu and select suitable transitions from these. I really like this glitch transition effect. Add transitions in between all images. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to Effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. These are steady images. Adding different types of video effects will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After you are done with that, you can add some text animations as well. Go to Animations from this side menu and select a simple animation. Make sure to select all the captions before you add the animations, or you will have to add it to each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Pixabay.com is a free website where you can find any type of music and sounds. So go to that and download suitable background music. Then add it to your timeline like this. Make sure to reduce its volume. Now, we are done with the process of creating the videos as well. You can export this video now. Let me show you the final step, which is creating a thumbnail for this video. Again, we can use Leonardo AI and Canva for this process. Just like we did before, generate a suitable image using Leonardo AI. Make sure it is eye-catching for your audience. After that, go to Canva and upload that image. Select Upload from side menu and add the image that we generated. I will add a text layer. This video is about spiritual awakening, so I will add a title related to that. You can spend some time on Canva, add different types of text effects, and make sure your thumbnail is nice and unique. This is just an example thumbnail. If you know how to use Photoshop, you can use it to create a good-looking thumbnail. Make sure to upload at least 4 videos per week. You can also upload short video content. It will help you to get more subscribers. I hope you learned new information from this video. See you guys in the next video.
Welcome, seekers of truth, to our exploration of the transformative journey through the 5 life-changing stages of spiritual awakening. In this video, we will delve into the profound realms of spirituality and manifestation, guiding you through the evolution of consciousness and self-discovery. The journey begins with the gentle whisper of the soul,